Once upon a time, there was a young Muslim man named Amir who was addicted to his smartphone. He would spend hours every day checking social media, playing games, and watching videos. Amir's addiction to his smartphone was starting to have a negative impact on his life. He was neglecting his studies, his work, and his relationships. One day, Amir was talking to his imam about his addiction. The imam told Amir that being addicted to his smartphone was not in line with Islamic teachings. He explained that Islam teaches us to be mindful of our time and to use our resources wisely. The imam gave Amir some advice on how to avoid being addicted to his smartphone. Set limits on your smartphone usage. Decide how much time you want to spend on your phone each day and stick to that limit. Delete unnecessary apps and games from your phone. This will make it less tempting to use your phone. Turn off your phone notifications. This will help you to avoid distractions. Keep your phone away from you when you are working, studying, or spending time with family and friends. Make dua to Allah to help you to overcome your addiction. Amir took the imam's advice to heart. He started setting limits on his smartphone usage, deleting unnecessary apps and games, and turning off his phone notifications. He also started keeping his phone away from him when he was working, studying, or spending time with family and friends. At first, it was difficult for Amir to break his addiction to his smartphone. But he was determined to change. He prayed to Allah for help, and he slowly but surely started to reduce his smartphone usage. After a few weeks, Amir was able to overcome his addiction to the smartphone. He was now spending his time more wisely and productively. He was also happier and more fulfilled. Moral of the story: being addicted to your smartphone is not in line with Islamic teachings. Islam teaches us to be mindful of our time and to use our resources wisely. There are many things you can do to avoid being addicted to your smartphone, such as setting limits on your usage, deleting unnecessary apps and games, and turning off your phone notifications. If you are struggling to overcome your addiction, pray to Allah for help. Thanks for watching.